Hey all, in this video I'm going to show you guys a way by which you can open multiple projects in Davinci Resolve. So let's get started to this video. So we are going to get straight into this tutorial. So head over to your Davinci Resolve, and from the project manager just right click anywhere and enable dynamic project switching. After that, open a project, and from the Davinci Resolve just move to the bottom right corner, and from there choose the home button to open this project manager and just open another project. You can use this trick to open multiple projects, and if you want to switch projects, just head out to file section, and from the files drop down choose switch project and you can switch another project. And there's a easy option to do this in the Davinci Resolve menu. From the project title section just click there, and it's going to show all the project that is opened and an option to create a new project too. And if you want to close any of the project that is opened, head out to your file section, choose close project option and close the project that you don't need. So that's it. That's how you open multiple project in Davinci Resolve. It is not as flexible and good as Premiere's multiple project opening, because in Premiere you can just share resource between these two projects very easily. It is like just drag and drop. But in Davinci Resolve, you just, when you open a project in this multiple project section also, you are opening the project in a consolidated area, and if you open another project, it's going to be opened in another consolidated area. So there is no easy way to share resource between these two projects. So by using this trick, you can just make it easy to copy these resources that you want. So it is giving just that small extra flexibility that's only this multiple project is giving in this Davinci Resolve. And the good thing about this dynamic project switching is that as we are opening the project in a consolidated area, it is not going to consume more of our resource. So we are going to get all our resource for that only project. And if you open multiple project in Premiere, it is going to be like this. If this is a consolidated area, all the project is going to be inside this. So our computer resource is fully shared by all these projects, making our active project laggy. So that's it. That's all about this opening multiple project in Davinci Resolve. I hope Blackmagic team to improve this multiple project opening like that of Premiere, because I really love the Premiere's multiple project opening. So that's it. That's all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next one, and don't forget to subscribe.